planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be planning the week of August 3rd to the 9th in my Print Pression B6 Planner and using the Kind Human kit from Jax and Pepper. This kit is non-foil, but I am going to pull in rose gold foil to accent this kit, so I think it's going to complement all these beautiful blush pinks very well. These are the full boxes, and at the bottom we've got some quarter boxes as well. On this page, we've got scallop checklists, page flags, quarter boxes, date covers, icons, and a cute weekend banner, which unfortunately, because it won't work because the weekend is stacked in this, what's the thing called, planner? Oh, wow. It's early as I'm doing this, and I clearly didn't get enough sleep yet. On this page, we've got headers, half boxes, and some script headers, and then some printed headers here. So beautiful. On this page, I'm loving all of this cut washi up here, especially these pieces that are cut to like quarter box size, because I'll be able to use these as just quarter boxes and totally write on them because they're blank in both the gray and the pink. And then even with this print, I feel like I could probably write on that as well. Not sure if this will be too dark, but God, I love this color and I love those greens. Green and pink is a color combination I really enjoy, and it's nice because it breaks up a lot of the gray and pink that's going on with this spread, so that's going to be really nice to pull in that color as well. And then we've got our bottom washi, but I actually have some washi from Simply Gilded that I think I'm going to pull in instead. So let's go ahead and start putting this down on the page. If you'd like to see how this comes out, please just keep watching. Okay, so I did put down that bottom washi from Simply Gilded, but it's going to be the first thing I changed my mind about, so I didn't show myself putting it down because I'm going to pull it up and use the bottom washi from the kit in just a moment. Right now I'm putting date dots on the date covers, and these are from our box stickers, and because there are circles like outlined on the date covers, I decided to use these rather than like my rose colored days ones, which are more squared because these were already in circles. So once I've got my date covers down, I'm taking my paper trimmer, cutting the bottom washi in half, and then I'm going to use that. This is basically just the one longer strip, and I'm using it on both sides of the page because there's much less room for bottom washi in a Print Pressions planner than in a normal A5 wide size planner, which is what this kit is sized for. This is actually not a B6 kit. So now I'm taking some headers from Paper Blush Bar, and they're just some beautiful rose gold bow headers with a pink background. And she was having like a grab bag sale when I bought these headers, and I think they're like from a Christmas kit, but they matched this perfectly. So I put those down, and then I'm taking this divider from Alyssa's Craft Shop, and I split it in half just because of where it would hit the fold in the center of the page, and so I didn't want the sticker to get bent, so I cut it in half just to make it easier to close the page. And then I also cut another one in half and put it on either side of the page, and then I'm adding the date script from Rose Colored Days. And then I put down my work from home, what week it was, and then went right into scattering my full boxes. I decided to put them down in a pattern this week, and I tend to try to avoid putting my full boxes in a pattern. I don't know how successful I am at that, but I tend to like having them more scattered than in a set pattern. But this week, I guess I was just feeling it. So I did this kind of pyramid thing. Gotta be honest, I'm not completely in love with it. It was fine for a change, but I think I'll go back to scattering next week. Then I used a lace trim sticker from Honey Inked underneath that quarter box. I'm adding a half box, and then the butterfly is also from Honey Inked. That work script is from Netty Designs. Just marking some things I needed to get done for work that day. I'm putting down one of those a header from the kit, and this podcast icon is from Crafts by Towie, and I'm just marking the podcast that I listen to every week, which gets me so much because people keep congratulating me on buying a house. Shout out to everybody who thinks I could buy a house every Monday for like the last 3 months. I don't know what kind of lifestyle that is, but yeah, I'm down to live that lifestyle. That sounds amazing. It's not my reality. And then Monday was my last day of school, which was so exciting, which is what I've marked with that Giving Girls Bowstrung box and then the little books sticker icon from Crafts by Towie. Oh, it was so wonderful turning in my final assignment and just being completely done. On to Tuesday, I put down a washi strip from the kit and then one of those little fancy boxes, which is what I call them. I have no idea what they're actually called, but it's from Sweet Bella XOXO, and I layered a credit card icon from the Pretty Pink Coat on top of that to mark that it was $2 Tuesday, and I was picking up some things from Nettie Designs because she has some amazing layering icons that I really wanted. Then I put down a flourish from Nettie Designs, and that little TV is from Artbox Stickers to mark that Amazon finally came and picked up the busted TV that they were supposed to pick up like a week ago. And then I'm using a scalloped half box from Panda Bird Design and a cute little character sticker from Planner Pixie Co. to mark my husband gifting me some really nice things for my graduation. It was so sweet. And then that evening we watched The Greatest Showman and had pizza from my favorite place to get pizza, which is California Pizza Kitchen. I went to see The Greatest Showman the day before I started my MBA program, and I fell in love with the movie. It was so amazing. It was such a great sort of last hurrah right before I started school, and so then I decided that was how I kind of wanted to bookend it and watch that movie at the end of my academic journey. So that is why we watched The Greatest Showman. Then on to Wednesday, I'm putting down another one of those bowstrung boxes from the Giving Girl to mark that it was my dad's birthday, which every year I'm always like, Dad, is your birthday the same day as Obama's or is it the day after? I really should know this. In my defense, my dad's personality is exactly the same as mine. And I swear to you, this year he called me and he was like, how old are you going to be this year? And I'm like, Dad, you have 2 kids and we're a year apart. How hard is it to keep up with us? Seriously, come on. But anyways, yes, he and I are both terrible at birthdays. That's the point I was making. Underneath there, I marked a project that I gotten started on for work, and it is like a massive project that I'm going to be working on for like the rest of the month. Yeah, on to the next. I put down a flourish and then finished off Wednesday by marking a bar workout using the ballet slippers icon from Crafts by Towie. On Thursday, I'm starting by placing down a half box from the kit, and I just wanted that there so I could get the spacing right. I'm going to place down this flourish from Nettie Designs and layer a laptop sticker from Planning Like a Pro on top of there, and that was marking something I needed to turn in, just a report for work. That's why I used that laptop. And then in that half box, I'm putting down this burger and fries icon from Crafts by Towie. My husband and I had lunch together that day, and we did not have burgers. He actually had a craving for tacos, but I didn't have a tacos icon sticker, so I just used that just to represent the fact that we had ordered food. And a lot of times he'll be on meetings for work during my lunch break, and so we don't always have lunch together, even though we're working at home together. But it was nice that day. We actually got a chance to just sit down, order some food, and have lunch together. And then I marked some Happy Mail with a scalloped corner from Sadie's Stickers and used the little sports bar icon from the Pretty Pink Coat to mark my workout for that evening. On Friday, I'm doing a little bit of layering here with a washi strip, one of those little fancy boxes. The wallet is from the GP Studio, and the payday script is from Nettie Designs. And that was a lot of layering to mark that Friday was payday. But payday is a thing to celebrate, so yay for the layering. Then I'm using another one of those scallop corners from Sadie Stickers and the planner icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that Rose Colored Days was having her birthday sale that weekend, and I didn't get a chance to shop it, and I wanted to, but I'm glad I marked it in my planner because that way I'll know so I can get ready for it for next year, because those things come annually, and as I said, I'm bad with birthdays, so at least if it's in my planner, I can remember it. But underneath there, I just used a work script icon from the GP Studio and then finished off Friday by watching the Golden Girls on TV. I binged watched the Golden Girls like crazy over the weekend. It was wonderful. And so I used a quarter box from the kit, added another one of those flourishes from Nettie Designs, and the TV is from Artbox Stickers. On to Saturday, I wanted to kind of book in what I had done on Monday with that half box and the butterfly. So I'm going to put down another one of those pink half boxes, layer this half butterfly from Honey Inked. And on Monday, I had the work script going sideways on that box. So for Saturday, I'm going to use the Today script, which is also from Nettie Designs, and just kind of give it that same sort of visual look from one side of the page to the other. And then right above that, I'm putting down a page flag and the little robe and slippers from Crafts by Towie to mark sleeping in and having an awesomely lazy day. It was my first weekend of not thinking about homework, and never having to think about homework again. And I was feeling myself and so happy. I'm using a money icon to mark paying some bills online. And then on Sunday, I love that Jax and Pepper kits always have church scripts in them. And so I never have to worry about pulling in anything extra to mark watching church online. Then I used a Bowstrong box, and that YouTube play button is from Artbox Stickers to mark my collab with Tiff going live on YouTube. If you haven't seen that, it'll be linked in the description box. Finished off with a workout sesh, and that completes the spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day and staying safe. I'll see you next video. Bye.